7 cute ways I styled my boho French curl braids. Welcome back to my channel, darling. So for today I'm going to show you several ways you can style your boho French curl braids. So stay tuned and keep on watching. So for the first look, I'm going in for the classic half up half down. You can do no wrong with this particular hairstyle because it's really pretty easy to get it done. You just have to grab a hairband of your choice. I'm using a silky hairband here. Reason being, I don't want the curls to get tucked and tangled. You can go in for any of your choice, but I recommend highly that you go in for a silky texture like the one I'm doing here in the video. So I simply took some of the hair from one side of my ear through to the other side of the ear, then I left part of it downward, and voila, here it is. What do you think? I think this is a cute everyday hairstyle. You can rock it. So for the second style, it is a half up half down sway to the front, as you can see me doing here in the video. Really pretty simple and straightforward. You just have to bring part of the half up to your face to really give it that chic, sophisticated vibe. And for the third style, we are going in for a top bun. This is for my ladies who want to look a little bit more sophisticated, you know, or who are going to the office and want to really look put together. So you just have to bring everything to the top with your hairband. You don't have to leave out any hair at the back this time around, and it's really pretty easy. You just have to follow suit and see what I'm doing. So when I put everything, I flip it to the back. Then since as I wanted to look a little bit stylish, I brought a few of the braids to the front before trying to put the rest of the curly braids into a top bun. By the way, if you would love to see how I did this boho French curl braids, make sure you check out the tutorial on my channel. There I gave a step-by-step beginner friendly tutorial on how to achieve this particular boho French curl braids look. And here is the final result. What do you think? Let's style the foot style together. That is the two pigtails. This usually most people think only the schoolgirls can rock these hairstyles. Grown-ups can rock this hairstyle as well. It just depends exactly on how you're going to dress up with it. I think it's a very fun, pretty look, and especially if you want to be playful. I will rock this particular hairstyle in particular when I'm organizing like a picnic. It could be cute, or when going for brunch with my girls. And you can comment down below what you think about the particular hairstyle and where you think you're going to wear it to. It's such a cute and fun hairstyle. I'll be wearing this particular one as many times as possible because I really like it. So you actually just need 2 hairbands for this particular look, and when you put them in the pigtails, you just fluff it out so that it gives you some more structure and volume. Cute, isn't it? So heading on to the 5th style, half up half down still, but this time around it's going to be way higher up, and I'm going to give it a front bang as well. This is a really classic, really feminine hairstyle. If you want to have a really dressy look, if you want to look really feminine, this is the go-to hairstyle that you've got to try. You can do no wrong with this particular hairstyle. You can also wear it as a smart casual hairstyle. There is no problem, but if you really want to look feminine, if you want to wear a dress, if you want to really look put together in the most feminine way, then go in for this hairstyle. It's really pretty in my own opinion. I don't know what you think. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. For this particular hairstyle, you can add a big bow as an extra accessory to give it really that factor. So here we go for the sit hairstyle. It's a lazy hairstyle. So I'm going in to do the two flat twists on one side, on each side of my head actually. So you just have to keep twisting them and doing it so firmly to the back, not really quite to the very nape of your hair. You have to leave a couple of strands at the back, and you can take like 2 pieces of braids from each side, and then you make a knot as you can see me doing here in the video. And it's a really pretty hairstyle as well, especially for those who want to wear like a hat on their head, but at the same time want to really give it the stylish look for the moments where they take it off if they are hot, for example. Yeah, it's a pretty hairstyle for one of those days that you're quite lazy and you don't even have a hairband around, but you want to put the hair away. Would you try this hairstyle as well? What do you think? I think it's pretty time saving and it's really easy to do for beginners. So the 7th and last hairstyle is the claw clip updo, one of my favorite hairstyles. It gives really this party vibes. You just have to twist the entire hair around and bring it forward to the front. You can actually leave it as so, but I really wanted it to look really way more classic, so I'm going to style those curls at the front to really match the framing of my face. You just have to look at how it suits your own face in particular, and you can just play around with the curls to give it the wow factor that you think is way more deserving as per your facial structure. Yeah, so this is how it really looks like. It's perfect for parties. I don't think you can rock this type of hairstyle for an everyday look, so it's more of an occasional vibe. So tell me, would you rock this hairstyle too? Thank you all so much for watching. Comment down below your favorite among all the hairstyles, and if you love to see more from me, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification button so you don't want to miss out on my upcoming videos. Bye. So this is how the complete outfit looks like. I got this dress from Temu and the slipper from TK Maxx, but originally from Zara. In my next video, I'm going to show you different ways you can style yourself for spring summer with matching hairstyles. I'm going to still style the French curl braids, just that it's going to be matching outfits, so stay tuned.